The Delete UModeler component tool removes the UModelerX data from an object and turns it back into a simple Unity mesh. It's useful when you're done modeling and want a clean, lightweight object. Let's go ahead and take a look at that. All right, so in our scene here, we have a bunch of different meshes here, and we have this little green guy here. So let's take a look at him. Now, currently, he doesn't have a UModeler object or component set to him. But what we're going to do is go ahead and go to our overlay toolbar for our mesh ops tools, and you'll notice that we have the UModelerize. So once we click this, you notice that the icon changes. And you also see now that we have our UModeler tools in our inspector. Now, once an object is a UModeler object, this icon will change to remove those actual components. So for instance, with this object selected, now it has a little minus key. All we have to do is click this icon, and it actually removes that completely. And that's the Delete UModeler component tool. It's an easy way to strip out UModeler data and return an object to a clean Unity mesh. It keeps your project lightweight once you're done modeling.